Welcome back, welcome to my kitchen. In my last video I was making pork goulash, and Polish people love that kind of meat with buckwheat, kaszka, but also potato pancakes, crunchy potato pancakes, and this is what I'm going to make. My aunt and my grandma, when shredding the potatoes, they used the smallest part of the shredder. For me it doesn't work as well. I like crunch to it, and when you use the smallest part to shred your potatoes, they will be soft. For hash browns, it's usually the biggest one, and for me, the middle one works best. Soft on the inside, but crunchy on the outside. That means perfect. Texture is a big part of adding flavor and experience of eating and having fun with food. My girl there is waiting for the goulash, because goulash is still the stove, and while I'm waiting for the goulash to be ready, I will shred my potatoes and make pancakes. Welcome back. Smacznego. Thank you for watching. For my potato pancakes I need eggs, potato starch flour, about 1 teaspoon, salt, pepper, onions, and I do cut them small, and I like to saute them before I put them in with the potatoes to mix it all together. 1 piece of garlic clove, and my potatoes are shredded here. With onion, my family usually shredded it all together with potatoes, raw onions, but my husband gets heartburn from the onions if they are not sauteed, so I like to saute them first, and it actually adds some flavor to it. And with the potatoes, I'm waiting for all the water to drop, and after a while all the starch will be on the bottom, so I will discard the water and add the starch to my potato mixture. That way I won't have to add much of the flour, the potato starch flour. The flour and eggs kind of serve me as glue to hold it all together, and when they fry they don't fall apart. As you can see, I discarded the water, and this is how much of the potato starch I have in here. So I have my sauté onions already here with garlic, and now I will just put it all together. 2 eggs, salt and pepper, and 1 teaspoon of the potato starch, and I will just mix it all up. So again, we have 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of potato starch, the starch from potatoes, salt, pepper, and 1 clove of garlic. That's it. Now we can fry those. My goulash is simmering slowly another hour, so 1 hour is plenty of time to get my potato pancake. Best fat grandmas used, my family used, on my side, my husband's side, was lard. Changes the flavor, changes the taste. My husband doesn't know I bought it, so he will be nicely surprised. I will use this instead of olive oil. I don't want those to be too thick, so the crunch is there, and crunchy potato pancakes are the best. You can see how nice it looks. So good, both sides nice and crunchy. I want to make sure I do distribute these potatoes evenly. Okay, wonderful. I usually don't make too many, as they are the best when fresh, not to lose the crunch. But if I do have more, the best thing is avoid microwave. Put it in a toaster oven, and they will be just as from a pan. It's like pizza. When you put it in the microwave, it doesn't come out exactly as when you bake it and eat it fresh. and crunchy. When I use my spoon to put the potato pancakes in, as you see, I never touch the pan, only the potatoes to flatten and just get it out of the bowl. You have to be very careful with your pans. If you want the pans to last for a long time, avoid any metal. This is best. Be gentle with your pans and they will last you a long, long time. Perfecto! Woohoo! As my boy says, ooh la la! Well, my husband is sure going to be nicely surprised today. He doesn't know what I'm making. And my potato pancakes are ready for the goulash.